The next we continue with map reducing model. It is used to develop a application, read to analyze and transform and share the massive amount of data. Is not to be database system, but rather it is a programming model introduced and described by Google researcher and researchers for parallel distributed computing involving massing data set. That means ranging from the hundred of terabytes to petabytes. The application development in MapReduce is a combination of all these familiar procedural or interactive approaches used by Java or C11 programmers embedded within what is effectively a functional languages programming and such as a one used within languages like Libs and APL. The similarly is based on MapReduce's dependence on two basic operations that are applied to set or list of data value pairs. The first one is a map which describe the computation or analysis applied to a set of inputs key or values pair to produce a set of intermediate key value pair. The second thing is in reduce. Reduce is in which a set of values associated with the intermediate key values pair output by the map operation and combined to provide the results. The MapReduce application, the series of basic operations applied in a sequence to a small set of many millions, billions, or even more the data items. The data items are organized in logically organized in a way that enables the MapReduce execution model to allocate tasks that can be executed in parallel. The data items are indexed using a defined key into key value pairs in which the key represents some grouping the creation uh, criterion associated with the computed value. With some the key represents some grouping with some application applied to massive data sets. The theory is the is that the computations applied during the map phase to each input key values pair are the independent from one another. The combining the both data and computational independence means that both the data and the computations can be distributed across the multiple storage and processing units and automatically parallelized. This is the parallelability allow the programmer to exploit the scale massively parallel processing resource for the increasing processing speed and performance. Uh, uh, these processes is the both data and computational independence are uh, combined into the both data and the computational can be approaches into the distributed across multiple storage and processing units and automatically parallelized. When it is called as the map and reduced programming model,